MKK, the Daily Pulse, one destination for updates around the world. Today, I am super excited to bring you the recap of an epic showdown. The India versus Sri Lanka women's T20 match on October 9th, 2024. What a match it was. India posted a formidable total of 172 for 3 in their 20 overs, thanks to a scintillating performance by Smriti Mandhana. She smashed her way to an unbeaten 52 off just 27 balls. Harmanpreet Kaur also added fuel to the fire with a blazing 45 off 28 balls. The Indian innings was a masterclass in aggressive batting. Sri Lanka, in their chase, put up a brave fight. Their top scorer, Athapaththu, played a captain's knock with a solid 64 off 48 deliveries. But the Indian bowlers were just too good on the day. Radha Yadav was the star with the ball, taking 3 wickets for just 22 runs. Her spell was a turning point, putting brakes on Sri Lanka's chase. In the end, Sri Lanka finished at 145 for 7, falling short by 20 runs. It was a thrilling match that had us all on the edge of our seats till the very last ball. Smriti Mandhana was rightfully declared the player of the match for her outstanding innings. Her form is critical for India as they look forward to future challenges. Hats off to both teams for providing such an entertaining contest. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hasta la vista. Namaste.